In this guide, we are going over everything that you need to know about the Kira Raid here in Bizarre Lineage and how you can complete it fast. Before we do get into this guide though, if it does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this by far is one of the hardest raid fights in Bizarre Lineage. It's one of the three main raid bosses, which is Jotaro, Dio, and Kira, and most players consider Kira the most difficult because of the large explosive attacks that deal crazy damage and ragdoll players. This raid is important if you want to progress your stand evolution, especially if you're trying to evolve White Snake into Sea Moon and eventually into Maid in Heaven. To start, you need to go to Bus Stop 1. This is near the Morio station. You can go up to really any bus stop and then fast travel to Bus Stop 1, but essentially go ahead and go to Bus Stop 1, interact with the Kira NPC near the parking lot area, and just like any of the other raids in the game, you can bring other players with you, which makes the fight a little bit easier since the boss will split its attention between multiple targets. But when the raid itself begins, you need to defeat all 9 enemy mobs before the boss even appears. This is just enemy mobs. Take them out. Just keep in mind, one of the most dangerous enemies is the Sheer Heart Attack, which acts like a small tank that can explode and deal massive damage. Just have one player distract it and pull it away from the group, and then you can have the group go ahead and take them out. The rest of the enemies are just standard level 22 mobs, such as cyborg, zombies, and samurai. But after defeating all 9 enemies, you are going to, get a cutscene, and then the real boss, Kira, is going to appear. When playing solo, it has about 2,500 health, which is actually the lowest health pool amongst all the raid bosses. However, the fight is difficult because of the explosive area attacks. Kira is able to create these explosions near players from a distance, so you need to watch out on those animations pretty carefully. One of the strongest strategies in the game right now is using the Vampire sub-ability, especially the skill Space Ripper Stingy Eyes, which can deal powerful range damage and also provides real steel to recover health. Vampire abilities also have health regeneration if you do avoid taking damage for a short amount of time, but several stands will work in this fight. If you have the World High Voltage, Sea Moon, and White Snake, those are good choices because they do have good ranged abilities. But really, any stand with a good ranged ability will work. With patience and consistent damage, you'll defeat Kira and complete the raid. And after that, you're going to receive a ton of rewards like common, rare, legendary chests, stand arrows, and Kira tokens, which can be spent in the Kira Raid shop by just talking to the Kira NPC near Bus Stop 1 after the fight. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.